Hey guys, good morning. It's literally a new day. It's May 4th, 2024, 2025, May 4th, 2025, and it's um, 8:25, oh no, 8:28 a.m. I just woke up. I literally just woke up. Kaya ganun. I haven't freshened up, so what I'm gonna do is put my ring on, drink some water, and you know, drink my medicines. Ganyan. Because ganun naman talaga. And also, I would also prefer to like tidy up a little bit my bed. Kasi yung bed ko, it's really messy. Kaya hindi ko pinapakita. Good morning everybody. And have a great day to all of you kung sa aking parte kayo nanonood ngayon. Okay. First and foremost, I'd drink my medicines. So we have Tisivol. Ano, Consace pala. Consace is the first meds na iinumin ko. Because advice yan ng doktor sa akin to drink Consace. So, Consace is multivitamins yan. So, inumin ko. Kasi it gives speedy healing daw kasi. Sabi ni Doc. With regards to my ano to? Surgery. Then, yung maintenance ko for my high blood. This is amlodipine, and it's 10 milligrams. Amlodipine, 10 milligrams. Mabuti na lang ngayon is that hindi tayo masyadong maulan. Kasi yesterday kasi merong bagyo kaya maulan. Ngayon yung mainit na. Kaya napapansin niyo yung background ko is blowing. Kasi mainit na nga. So ayun guys. What else? Sige, let's tidy my bed a little bit. So we can move you. No? Move kita a little bit further away. Ayan. Fast forward. Fast forward na lang, no? Para mas madali. Fast forward. And so, I'm putting it nearer again. No? Medyo blurry talaga ang ating camera. Kasi, again, itong camera na to, it's been years and years, no? So, it's been years and years of being used na itong camera na to. It's very old. So, please guys, if you can, do sponsor me with a new camera. Kasi, ito na siya, very old. This is of an Oppo A9 2020 phone, no? Some apps are hindi na nga, hindi na nga, tawag na to, compatible. So, anyway, ayun lang naman tayo for today, guys. This is, after nito, parang, ito yung morning routine ko, no? Afternoon is, magbe-breakfast na ako, no? Alongside my family and everything. Or minsan nanonood pa ako ng Netflix, no? Pagkagising ko. But, I mean, the rest is for privacy, no? Pero breakfast na agad after that. And, ayun. Minsan, I place my, to the CR, pumunta ako ng CR, linisan, no? Minsan naman, I have to, kasi nagigising ako alas 9 eh. Ngayon ako nagigising ng 8:25, so wala, I have to do it now. Ayun, if you want to see my nightly routine din, no? If you want to see my nightly routine, comment down below. If interested lang naman kayo, or if not, then wala akong magagawa dun. So, yun na naman tayo for today, you guys, no? I think I may do another video later, showing my devotion, no? So, yun lang muna tayo for today. Okay? I'm your host, Siripoy Shinran Suarez. This is day 4, day 3, no? Of the vlogs that I will hopefully do for a year or so, no? Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ko. Kakayanin ng powers ko. Kakayanin ng workaholic self ko. But, let's see. No? So, basically, it will be 366 or 367 videos lahat. No? So, ilalaban natin to. Let's go. No? Kakayanin natin to. So, for now, hopefully, kakayanin natin to for 30 days. No? 30 days. 1 month, no? Kasi parang medyo blurry pa yung visions ko. So, let's do 1 month, no? Then, hopefully, kakayanin natin 1 year in the long run. Okay? So, yun naman tayo for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is your host, Rowan Shimon Suarez.